there are various options or the variety of ways through which you can access the ease of access option. So the first way that what I am going to tell you that how can you access this option from the login window. So this is the login window where there are various logins available. In the bottom left corner you can see the button that you can use to click the ease of access option. This is the button. You can see the mouse pointer here. If you can leave the mouse pointer here, you can see the tooltip text that is ease of action is written. After that, click on it, and after clicking on it you will have this pop-up window, and in this window there are various options are given, like here text on a screen, or read aloud, make item on the screen larger, see more contrast in color, type without the keyboard, press keyboard shortcut one key at a time, if I press key repeatedly, ignore extra press or the filter key. So these are the options that what I will discuss one by one, but first of all I want to explain the different ways that how you can access these operations. So this is the first way, that from the login window, that how can you access it. This is the second way through which you can access the ease of access option. Click on the start menu. After clicking on it, click on all program option. From the all program option, click on the accessories option, and from the accessories option you can see there is an option ease of access, and then click on it, and from here you have various options available. So this is the second way from which from the start menu you can go to the ease of access option. There is another way through which you can access the ease of access option. Click on the start menu and go to the control panel option. In the control panel option there is option ease of access option. Click on it, and from here you will have different options available. Just click on ease of access center, and from here you will have all other options available, as you can see in the screen. And this is the fourth and last way through which you can access the ease of access option. This is the window key, as you can see here, and this is the U. When you press window plus U key simultaneously like this, window then U, then you can open the ease of access option, as you can see on the screen. So there are total 4 ways through which you can access from the login window, from the control panel, from the start menu, and from the keyboard.